Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to start manager career. To start manager career, from main menu of the game, go to manager career. Select it, and now you can select live or original. Select men's or women's team, country and team. Now you can create new manager, or you can play as real manager. Let's create new. Here you can select gender, first name, last name, appellative, country, region, birth year, birth month and birthday. Next you can change appearance of your manager and outfits. Once it's done, select Advance. Now adjust gameplay settings, general settings, match settings, game type settings, CPU sliders, training, squad, transfer and scouting, and general settings. Advance. Name your career, sign contract, and it's done. Now take a look at the career mode interface. Here you've got central, you can advance to matches, select tactical vision, meet your squad, check players, emails and tournament. Next we've got inbox, player chat, squad, tactical vision, team management, team sheet, squad hub, training plan, development plan. In transfer we can find scout reports, we can manage scouts, search for players, manage transfer hub, transfer history. In academy you can find youth tournament, youth squad and youth development plan. In office you can find objectives, standings, calendar, budget overview, your career, manager market, player stats. In the end you can edit manager, players, settings. To save, select save. And that's basically it for manager career. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.